What's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you how I built this base location on Official. This is by no means the best or only way to build it. I'm a terrible builder, but this worked for me and it gives you plenty of space for a solo. You want to end up building foundation support from the top downwards, but since you can only place structures at the bottom first, we have to build up. We're going to start by placing triangle foundations here at the bottom and then cover the floor in foundation support. Once we've done that, we want to use pillars, ceilings and triangle foundations to build all the way up to the top and place triangle foundations right to the top. From there we can then build our foundation support downwards. Once we've placed the triangle foundations right at the top, we can demolish the rest of the structures and begin to build downwards. When building downwards, I found the best method to use was using stairs, pillars and ceilings. And you can build as many floors as you want, but I recommend about 3 to 4, with one large one so you can place a transmit and crafting station. Once you've built all your floors, you're pretty much done, but don't forget to demolish some ceilings to place some stairs so you can get between floors easily. And we are done. As you can see, it's really not very pretty, but it works, and there's a huge amount of space in here, to be honest. You can have tons of vaults, deadies, crafting station, exomech. The only thing you can't really do is breed much because obviously it's radiation. If you've got a few hundred elements stored up during an event, you could just power a force field and raise some dinos. There's also room to place a transmitter. And to save some space, you could place it on a hatch frame like I did on Official, but this isn't necessary. Just make sure you place it right in the middle so the beam isn't visible from outside. And I'll show you right now, just to confirm. So that's about it, guys. I hope you found it helpful, and thank you very much for watching.